Roads are essential. We use them every day. They connect people, places, and businesses. Road construction is the process of building these vital pathways. It is a complex process involving many steps and skilled workers. Roads help us to transport goods and services. They allow us to travel for work, education, and leisure. Without roads, our lives would be very different. Road construction is important for economic growth. It creates jobs and supports businesses. New roads can reduce traffic congestion and improve air quality. In the following sections, we will explore the fascinating world of road construction. We will learn about the different stages, the machinery used, and the importance of safety and environmental considerations. The first stage of road construction is planning. This is where the vision for a new road begins to take shape. This stage is crucial for a successful project. It involves a lot of brainstorming, discussions, and detailed analysis. Planners determine the best route for the road, considering factors like traffic flow, environmental impact, and land use. They use advanced tools and software to analyze various scenarios. Engineers study traffic patterns to design roads that can handle current and future traffic volumes efficiently. This involves complex simulations and modeling. This often involves analyzing existing traffic data and projecting future needs. Accurate data is essential to ensure the road can accommodate growth. Road construction can impact the environment. Therefore, it's important to implement measures to protect natural habitats and resources. Planners assess potential effects on wildlife, water resources, and air quality to minimize negative consequences. They work closely with environmental experts. Planners consider the impact of the road on existing and future land use. They ensure that the road integrates well with urban and rural development plans. They aim to minimize disruption to communities and businesses while maximizing the road's benefits. Public consultations are often held to gather feedback and address concerns. Once the planning stage is complete, the design phase begins. This is where the detailed work of creating the road's blueprint happens. Engineers create detailed drawings and specifications for the road. These documents are essential for guiding the construction team. These plans guide the construction process, ensuring that every aspect of the road is built to the highest standards. Before construction can begin, the site must be prepared. This phase involves clearing the land, grading, and compacting the soil. Trees, vegetation, and structures in the road's path need to be removed. This step often involves specialized equipment like bulldozers and excavators. The ground is leveled and shaped to match the road design. This ensures proper drainage and a stable foundation for the road surface. The soil is compacted to increase its density and strength. This crucial step prevents the road from settling or shifting over time. Site preparation is essential for a strong and durable road. Section 4. Laying the foundation, a strong base for the road. With the site prepared, the next step is laying the foundation. This involves several layers. The subbase is the first layer of the foundation. It is usually made of compacted gravel or crushed stone. This layer provides drainage and helps to distribute the weight of the road evenly. The base course sits on top of the subbase. It is typically a stronger material like asphalt or concrete. The base course provides additional support and helps to spread the load from vehicles. Each layer is compacted to ensure a solid and stable foundation for the road. Section 5. Paving the way, creating a smooth surface. Once the foundation is complete, the road is paved. Asphalt pavement is a common paving material. It is a mixture of aggregates like sand and gravel and bitumen, a sticky black substance. Asphalt is heated and spread over the base course using a paving machine. It is then compacted to create a smooth and durable surface. Concrete pavement is another popular paving material. It is a mixture of cement, water, and aggregates. Concrete is poured and finished using specialized equipment. The type of paving material used depends on factors like traffic volume, climate, and budget. Section 6. Ensuring safety. First, protecting workers and the public. Safety is paramount in road construction. Every day, workers face numerous hazards that can lead to serious injuries or even fatalities if proper precautions are not taken. Workers face hazards like heavy machinery, moving vehicles, and working at heights. To mitigate risks, it is essential to implement comprehensive safety measures. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential. This includes items such as hard hats, safety vests, gloves, and steel-toe boots. Workers must wear appropriate PPE, including hard hats, which protect against head injuries from falling objects or bumps. Safety vests make workers more visible to drivers and equipment operators, while gloves and steel-toe boots protect their hands and feet from cuts, abrasions, and crush injuries. This gear helps to protect them from injuries. Traffic control is crucial in construction zones to ensure the safety of both workers and the public. Construction zones require careful traffic management to protect both workers and drivers. This involves setting up barriers and signs to guide traffic safely. This may involve using cones, barrels, signs, and other traffic control devices to direct vehicles and pedestrians safely through or around work areas. Temporary traffic signals can also be used to manage the flow of vehicles, ensuring that everyone moves safely and efficiently. Safety training is also a must. It equips workers with the knowledge and skills they need to recognize hazards and respond appropriately. All construction workers receive comprehensive safety training on hazard identification, safe work practices, and emergency procedures. This training is crucial for preventing accidents and ensuring a safe work environment. By prioritizing safety, we can prevent accidents and create a secure work environment. This not only protects workers but also ensures the safety of the public who navigate through these construction zones. Section 7: Road Construction and the Environment: Building a Sustainable Future. Road construction can have a significant impact on the environment. The process often involves altering natural landscapes which can disrupt ecosystems and wildlife habitats. Heavy machinery and construction activities can lead to soil compaction, water pollution, and increased noise levels, all of which can have detrimental effects on the surrounding environment. However, there are ways to minimize these negative effects and promote sustainability. Erosion control is vital in this regard. By implementing effective erosion control measures, we can prevent soil degradation and protect water quality. Techniques such as silt fences, hay bales, and hydroseeding are commonly used to stabilize the soil and reduce erosion. Construction activities can disturb the soil and lead to erosion, which can have far-reaching consequences. Erosion can result in the loss of fertile topsoil, sedimentation in water bodies, and damage to aquatic habitats. It is essential to address these issues proactively to ensure the long-term sustainability of road construction projects. To prevent this, contractors use erosion control measures like silt fences, hay bales, and hydroseeding. These methods help to stabilize the soil, reduce runoff, and prevent sediment from entering water bodies. By incorporating these practices into road construction projects, we can mitigate the environmental impact and promote sustainability. Recycling and reuse are important too. The construction industry generates a significant amount of waste material, much of which can be recycled and reused. By adopting recycling practices, we can reduce the need for virgin materials, conserve natural resources, and minimize waste. Road construction generates a significant amount of waste material. Many of these materials, such as asphalt and concrete, can be recycled and reused in new construction projects. This not only reduces the environmental impact, but also lowers the cost of construction. Materials like asphalt and concrete can be broken down and processed for reuse. This process not only conserves natural resources, but also reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. By incorporating recycled materials into new road projects, we can create a more sustainable construction industry. These recycled materials can be used in new construction projects, reducing the need for virgin materials and minimizing waste. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also supports the economy by creating jobs in the recycling and construction industries. By reducing the need for virgin materials and minimizing waste, we can create a more sustainable and efficient construction industry. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also supports the economy by creating jobs in the recycling and construction industries. Protecting wildlife is also a major concern in road construction projects. The construction of new roads can fragment wildlife habitats and increase the risk of animal-vehicle collisions. It is essential to consider the impact on wildlife and take measures to mitigate these effects. Road construction can fragment wildlife habitats and increase the risk of animal-vehicle collisions. This can have serious consequences for both wildlife populations and human safety. It is important to incorporate wildlife-friendly designs into road construction projects to address these issues. To mitigate these impacts, wildlife crossings like bridges and tunnels can be incorporated into road designs. These structures provide safe passage for animals, allowing them to move freely between habitats without the risk of being hit by vehicles. Wildlife tunnels and bridges can be incorporated into road designs to provide safe passage for animals. By adopting these measures, we can reduce the risk of animal-vehicle collisions and help to preserve wildlife populations. By adopting sustainable practices, we can build roads that meet our transportation needs while protecting the environment. Sustainable road construction practices include using eco-friendly materials, minimizing waste, and incorporating wildlife-friendly designs. By implementing these practices, we can create roads that blend seamlessly with natural landscapes and support the needs of future generations. Sustainable road construction is not just about building roads, it's about building a better future for all.